I got this barbecue accessories kit to review and give my honest opinion. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it comes with. All right, so I took all of this out of the box, and the very first thing I thought was, wow, this thing has a lot of stuff in it. I'd actually read it and looked at it, but I just did not realize how much came with this kit. So this would make a perfect gift for somebody that just loves to barbecue or do any kind of cooking outdoors or do anything with a griddle. It just impressed me with how much stuff is in this box. So let's go over some of the things that are here. It comes with a bag to store all your utensils and everything in. It comes with scissors, some hooks. These are little prongs. I think these are for like roasting corn and stuff. You've got a couple of little decorative little templates here that you can use. You've got a sauce brush. This is a multi-purpose can opener, bottle opener, all that little stuff built into this. That's pretty neat. You've got different scrapers, cutters. You got a set of tongs and like 3 different types of spatulas. And you've got a stainless steel lid. That handle goes in these holes on the lid so you can put it on top of the griddle. I mean, it's got everything in this kit. So my plan is to try this out and see how well this works. I can't even think of everything here that I would use right away, but I can't think of anything it's missing. So let's go ahead and see how these things work. So this has been a great kit so far. I love all the pieces that this kit comes with. It basically has every utensil you'd need, nice and sturdy. I think this would be a great gift for someone. All right, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you would do that, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.